So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another video. In this video I am very sorry. I'm turning the TV down. I'm very sorry that I haven't been doing a video in a while. It's because I've just been really busy, and everything. But today is just a video about me talking for a little bit. It's not long. What I wanted to say is that I might be getting a bird.
I sure did. They just left. Said they were gonna find some shade for their new baby being delivered
A
today.
bird from Pet Supplies. Plus, I've been wanting. A bird has been my dream pet for a little while now.
There's a sandstorm coming, and you don't want to be caught in one of those.
And they're actually kind of cheap to take care of. I also have a guinea pig, and a bird is cheaper than a guinea pig. So, yeah, I might be getting a bird. So, stay tuned for when I post more videos. But yeah, so just stay tuned. And I will tell you guys more about it when I know. Bye guys.